Hey everyone, come get ready with me to an event I'm going to tonight. Yeah, so tonight I'm going to Christos Garkinos' book launch party along with host Garcelle Beauvais from The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Realize it's kind of hard to talk and do this at the same time. Face is prepped. I'm gonna let it sit for a moment. And then I'll put on some makeup. You'll see me actually transform into the lady that you see on these videos. And I'm about to put on my makeup. I tried to find some kind of headband. All I could find is this Gudetama like spa headband. I love Gudetama because he's just like a lazy egg character. And I just think he's funny. So anyways, this is the only thing I could find. My eye socket is kind of here, and because I have a pocket of fat and cheeks. Yes, it's like I'm slapping my face with foundation. But you know, I do a little bit of framing. So she said that I should sort of extend my brow a little bit longer here, just to kind of give my face just more of a triangle effect. So, and I also have a very short forehead. I always like to joke around with friends that my forehead is the shape of a Lego block. So, like a Lego head, which it is. I mean, look, it's the shape of a Lego. That's okay, you know. Are we even? Is it even? Yeah, even enough. Even enough. Like, I don't know. I'm not a pro, even though it's my face, but you know, whatever. I'm still just a regular person. I'm great at making jewelry and wardrobe styling. Makeup artist, probably not so much. But so let's get to the cheeks. Come on, Gudetama, let's go. To the apple of my cheeks a little. So the nice thing is that it's very like spreadable too. So see, it's like instant contour. It's crazy. So, and I don't even know if it's because my face has changed over the years. I don't know. Like, did I have a glow up 40 years later? You know, I think. Wow, I feel like I'm getting like editorial lighting right here. Awesome. This is why I'm doing this. This is why. And I don't really put anything there other than the moisturizer or whatever. So what I do is just curl my lashes, really. And I mean, that's enough, you know, in order for me to kind of like look awake. I'm so awake, guys, with my curled lashes. Because, you know, my eyelashes really grow straight. Like my hair is so straight. So just to curl them just up a little bit is going to kind of help like open my eyes, even though I have really big eyes anyway. So I'm probably just going to do that last. You're probably not going to see in this video, but we need to get to the outfit, you guys. This is me and my Jet Li Jackie Chan, apparently, like hand gestures while I'm getting ready. So the Gudetama is going to be off. So dress is on. This is by my friend. Actually, I should hold it. This is by my friend Deborah Viereck. I just love her beautiful, like classic silhouettes, especially in this color. I don't know if you can see all the way. We've got some trim. So yeah, just very slimming. I'm like, who's Deborah? Whose body is this? I don't know her body. Whose body is this? I don't know. I don't know whose body is this. So anyways, yeah. In the mic, you can probably hear ASMR. This is ASMR, I think. But yeah, then it kind of gives this whole vibe of just like boho, but you know, like they do make fun sounds like, ooh, here she comes. Oh my gosh. You guys. Here comes the lady. She's funny, I think. So here I am. Ooh. So then it kind of gives just, here's a very graphic shape. The dress is very like curvy and like one beautiful like background against the gold. And I love the combination of blue and gold together. So these are kind of a, so if I felt like dancing, I could. I feel like since there's so much going on here, and basically what I'm trying to do is pull the focus from my face down to my body, just so that people can experience my whole look. I mean, or will they? I don't really know, but okay. Anyways, so I just kind of want to pull the focus from here all the way down, and then the dress is long enough that I can wear shoes or flats. I like being taller. I'm 5'9", so I'll probably just put on like some wedge sandals that are just nude and very neutral. I think I want to keep my hair pretty sleek. Usually, because I have long hair and I'm Asian, it's very stick straight. So what I think I'm gonna do is make it even more stick straight. And then I can like push it around if I feel sassy. So this is the final look. I think I just want to just hair slick, this V necklace. Let me move back, and bangles. I'm running late. So yeah, hopefully I'll get to the good stuff and won't miss anyone. But yeah, so anyways, thanks for joining my Get Ready With Me or Get Ready With Jenny. But yeah, you can finally see like I have a whole backdrop now, so you can see. Yeah, so that's me.
This was the vibe at the event. Everyone was so happy, and literally they raffled off a genuine Birkin bag. This is Christos's book signing table, and then here's the vibe of the party while he was signing, and then there's literally a pop-up of luxury bags right there, which is crazy. Thank you, Kristen, for being my friend at the party. Here's me at the end of the night taking a selfie for my mom.